Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Ashley and I'm excited about today because I'm going to be doing something a little different. Today's video is a relaxing clean with me and it's actually in collab with my YouTube friend Alyssa. She does lifestyle, cleaning, organizing, and even beauty videos. She's also a mama to the cutest little one and she shares more about her mom life on her Instagram. So I'll link her Instagram in the description box below, and I'll also link her channel in the description box below, as well as today's video as she's doing a relaxing clean with me too. So once you're done watching this, head on over to Alyssa's channel. I know y'all are gonna love her as much as I do, and don't forget to let her know that I sent you. If you're coming from Alyssa's channel, hello and welcome. I do homemaking style videos such as decorating, organizing, and cleaning motivation, and I would love for you to join my YouTube community by hitting that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell so you are alerted for future videos. All right, y'all, so like I was mentioning earlier, I'm going to be doing a relaxing clean with me video today. So I'm going to speed up certain parts of this video, but for the most part, I'm going to go a little slower. I'm going to play relaxing music, and I'm just going to kind of let the music play and not talk as much in today's video. I'm also going to use different camera views, so y'all have to let me know if you liked this video and if you want to see more like it. If so, I'll add it to my posting schedule. And I did stop in the middle of this video to show you my shelf decor. I did not film me decorating it, so I'm just going to kind of show you what I did, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to stop talking and let the music play.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
Okay guys, I really quick wanted to show you. I was gonna decorate this on film and I ended up not. I just kind of started playing around with it and then I stopped from there. Now you've seen a sneak peek and probably didn't even know it if you followed me on Instagram. I've been showing you like that little area and that little area. Another reason I haven't showed you is because this little mess right here, I am going to put behind our TV. I asked a friend who I noticed like all their cable boxes were hidden and their TV was hanging on the wall, and they said that they had it, they had bought this little deal on Amazon where you can actually hang your TV on the back, or you hang your cable box on the back of the TV. And I told my husband about it and he's like, oh yeah, that's how we have it at work. So yeah, I just need to get the stuff. I just need to go on Amazon and buy this stuff so that I can get all of that, the modem, everything. And then that actually right there can go into the little basket underneath the cabinet deal. But this all will be put behind the TV, and then of course that'll alleviate these wires. These two items, the auxiliary and the speaker, I don't know what to do with. So as long as we live here, unless I can figure out a way to like maybe do a little curtain, or maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do, but for now that's just gonna have to be exposed. I decorated it kind of cute over on the side, but as long as like this space right here, that's the main area that is seen, that is the main area that is decorated. So like I said, let me kind of step back here. So just imagine that not being here, and yeah, I'm gonna play around with it a little more, like this greenery. I don't know if I like it draped there. I was just kind of playing around. So, and then if you also follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen the fireplace. I redid that. Maybe I'll do a home tour in July and kind of show you where I got everything. Like this was Hobby Lobby. These right here were Target. This is just lamb ear garland that I think I got at Hobby Lobby. A lot of this stuff is Kirkland's or Hobby Lobby. Oh, by the way, I need to change those pictures out. So that was just what I purchased. Those were the pictures in it when I purchased it, and I still haven't put in our family pictures in it. These shelf books right here, I got these on Amazon, and they're in my Amazon store, which I'll link that in my description box below. And so yeah, a lot of this is just Kirkland's, Hobby Lobby, Target, Amazon, and Home Goods. So yeah. But anyway, so I gotta finish it. Like I need to figure out the greenery situation. I need to move all of this and behind the TV, and we'll be pretty much good to go.
Was letting you in from that moment. I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss.
Okay, so you see me talking to the dog because I'm trying to train her not to bark and attack the vacuum. So if you see me talking, that's what I'm doing.
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in from that moment. I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you made sure I'm all you missed. Baby, it took just one kiss.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you're lying next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you're fine the way you are. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh,
My heart
All right, y'all, that is all for today's video. I hope it was relaxing and satisfying. And if y'all enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. And don't forget to head over to Alyssa's channel, as she has a relaxing clean with me video as well. So if you're wanting to see more and you're enjoying this, go ahead and head over to her video and she will have you covered. I will link that video in the description box below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
You